Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why won't my car move when I press the gas pedal? Nothing's more frustrating than pressing the gas pedal and feeling your car go nowhere. You're expecting acceleration, but instead, you're met with an unsettling stillness. This issue isn't just inconvenient, it can be a serious safety hazard. In this video, we'll dive into the common reasons why your car might not move when you step on the gas pedal. From transmission trouble to fuel system failures, we'll cover the key areas to check and offer some practical steps to get you back on the road. Stay tuned to learn how to troubleshoot this problem effectively. Common reasons a car does not move when the gas pedal is pressed. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you press down on the gas pedal, but your car seems stuck and won't move as expected? This common issue can be caused by various factors related to your car's transmission, accelerator pedal, or even the brake system. Let's see the typical reasons why your car may not move when you step on the gas pedal. Automatic transmission issues. One of the frequent culprits behind a car not moving when the gas pedal is pressed lies in the automatic transmission system. Issues such as low transmission fluid levels, worn-out clutches, or a faulty torque converter can prevent the transmission from engaging properly, leading to a lack of movement when accelerating. If you notice delayed shifting, strange noises, or a burning smell, it might be time to have your automatic transmission checked by a professional mechanic. Manual transmission problems. For vehicles equipped with a manual transmission, issues with the clutch system or gear synchronization can result in difficulties moving the car despite pressing the gas pedal. A slipping clutch, worn-out gearbox, or improper gear shifts can all contribute to the car's inability to respond to acceleration commands. Regular maintenance and proper driving techniques can help prevent manual transmission problems that impede your car's movement. Faulty accelerator pedal or throttle position sensor. A malfunctioning accelerator pedal or throttle position sensor can also be to blame for your car's unresponsiveness when accelerating. If these components fail to communicate the correct throttle position to the engine control unit, the car may not receive the necessary fuel and air mixture for propulsion. Issues like accelerator pedal sensor misalignment, wiring problems, or sensor calibration errors can all lead to a lack of acceleration despite pressing the gas pedal. Brake system interference. Surprisingly, problems with the brake system can also hinder your car's movement when accelerating. Issues such as stuck brake calipers, worn-out brake pads, or a faulty brake booster can create friction that counteracts the engine's power, causing the car to struggle or fail to move even with the gas pedal depressed. Regular brake inspections and maintenance can help prevent brake-related issues that affect your vehicle's performance. By addressing these common reasons for a car not moving when the gas pedal is pressed, you can troubleshoot potential issues and ensure a smoother driving experience. Remember, regular maintenance and prompt attention to any warning signs can help keep your vehicle running smoothly and reliably. Steps to diagnose the issue. When your car refuses to move forward despite stepping on the gas pedal, it can be frustrating and confusing. However, there are several steps you can take to diagnose the underlying problem before seeking professional help. Check transmission fluid levels. One of the first things to inspect when your car is not responding to the gas pedal is the transmission fluid levels. Low or dirty transmission fluid can impede the smooth operation of your vehicle and cause it to lag. Locate the transmission fluid dipstick, usually found near the back of the engine bay, and check the fluid level. Ensure the fluid is at the correct level and appears clean and clear. If the fluid is low or dark in color, it may be time for a fluid change or there could be a leak in the system that needs attention. Inspect the accelerator pedal and throttle position sensor. Next, examine the accelerator pedal and the throttle position sensor to rule out any issues with these components. The accelerator pedal should move freely without any sticking or resistance. If you notice any stiffness or lack of response when pressing the pedal, there may be a problem with the pedal itself or the throttle position sensor. The throttle position sensor communicates the position of the throttle to the vehicle's computer, determining how much fuel to deliver. Any malfunction in this sensor can result in a lack of acceleration when pressing the gas pedal. Examine brake system components. Another crucial step in diagnosing why your car isn't moving forward when you accelerate is to inspect the brake system components. Sometimes, issues with the brakes, such as a stuck caliper or worn brake pads, can create a sensation of the vehicle not moving forward even when the gas pedal is pressed. Check the brake pads for wear and tear, ensuring they are not excessively worn down. Additionally, inspect the calipers to ensure they are releasing properly after braking. Any brake-related problems can affect the overall performance of the vehicle and cause it to hesitate or resist acceleration. By following these steps to diagnose the issue when your car fails to move forward upon pressing the gas pedal, You can pinpoint potential causes and take appropriate action to resolve the problem promptly. Remember, if you're unsure or unable to identify the issue, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection and accurate diagnosis. Professional Mechanics Assessment. When you're faced with a car that doesn't move when you press the gas pedal, seeking the expertise of a certified mechanic is crucial. These professionals possess the knowledge and experience to diagnose and address the issue effectively. Thanks for watching Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we delve into solutions to get you moving again. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this.